Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are doing how to find angle between two lines. First of all, we will draw one diagram for this. Like we have line L1 and line M2. This is our x-axis, this is y-axis. We have two lines. One line is this and another line is this. We will give name to the lines. This is L1 and this is L2. For L1 our angle is alpha and for L2 our angle is beta and this is the theta. And now we will take slopes for line L1 and L2. Let the slope of line L1 be M1. So this is M1 is equal to tan alpha. Similarly, let the slope of line L2 be M2. So this is M2 is tan beta. Now we have angle between two lines. Angle between two lines, that is theta is equal to alpha minus beta. And now we are taking theta to both sides. Tan theta is equal to tan alpha minus beta. And we know the formula for tan alpha minus beta. This is tan alpha minus tan beta 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. As we know, tan alpha is M1, tan beta is M2. So this is 1 minus M1 into M2. So our formula is tan theta is equal to M1 minus M2. Over here plus is there. 1 plus M1 M2. If our theta is 180 minus theta, 180 degree minus theta, then this is minus tan theta. So our formula for tan theta is M1 minus M2, 1 plus M1 into M2. And for minus, we put minus sign in front of the formula. M1 minus M2, 1 plus M1 M2. In generally, we will use which formula? In generally, we use tan theta is equal to modulus of M1 minus M2, 1 plus M1 M2. This is for acute angle. If we have to find for obtuse angle, then what we have to use? Whatever theta we are getting, we just subtract from 180 degree minus theta. And like we have one question, find obtuse angle between two lines. Like we have first line x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. and another line is 3x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Before starting the equation, first of all we write formula for finding the angle between two lines. Like we know the formula, tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 1 plus m1 m2. m1 is slope for line L1 and m2 is slope for line L2. First of all we write line L1 x minus 2y minus 1, and for finding the slope, which formula we will use? Y is equal to mx plus c. We compare our equation with this. This is 2y is equal to, as there is no coefficient of x, so we will write 1 over here, 1x minus 1, and the coefficient of y is 2, but we have to write without coefficient, so we will take this 2 in the denominator of x and of this constant. So if we compare our equation with y is equal to mx plus c, value of m1 is equal to half. Similarly, we will find m2 from equation 2. Our equation 2 is 3x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Again write y is equal to mx plus c. Y is equal to 3x plus 2. Coefficient of x is 3, so our m2 is 3. Now we write formula, tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 1 plus m1 into m2. Our m1 is half and m2 is 3, so put value over here. This is 3, 1 plus half into 3. We have to do calculation, minus, put 1 in the denominator. LCM of 1 and 2 is 2, so I write 2 over here, into 1 into 2. This is 1, 3 into 2 is 6. Again for denominator 1 plus 1 into 3 is 3 over 2. So after that 1 minus 6 is minus 5 over 2. Similarly we solve for this. LCM of 2 and 1 is 2. Multiply this with 2 and this with 1. 2 ones are 2 and 3 ones are 3. So this is equal to minus 5 over 2, 5 over 2. Both are same. Both will cancel each other. So this is 1. And minus 1 in the modulus. When we remove this modulus, minus 1 become positive 1. This is for acute angle. Tan theta is equal to 1. At what angle theta is 1? In case of tan, it's at 45 degree. This is for acute angle. But in the equation it's mentioned that find for obtuse angle. So what we have to do? We subtract from 180. For obtuse angle, we subtract our theta from 180, as our theta is 45. So subtract 180 minus 45 is 135 degree. So our theta is 135 degree. This is our answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please get in touch if you need any help. Do like and subscribe it, please.